This is my bathroom door pocket lock that is rusty and old. And this is a new one that I installed. Stick around and I'll show you how to replace your pocket door lock. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, take a drill and remove 2 screws on the side where the locking mechanism is. Remove the locking mechanism. Next, remove the 2 screws on the opposite side, and this will remove the remaining components of the locking mechanism. For those who are interested, this is what the mechanism looks like. Next, remove the locking plate by unscrewing the 2 screws with a drill. Then, unbox the new pocket door lock. I got this one on Amazon, and I'll have the links in the description below. It comes with a new locking plate, a lock mechanism, some screws, and visual instructional manual that we aren't going to use. Next, loosen the 2 screws on the mechanism on both sides using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, attempt to fit the new lock into the slot and see how well it fits. You may get lucky, but if you're like me, you will have to make a few minor modifications. First, you can see how the metal is protruding in the hole, and that's creating an interference with the door. So I took a big drill bit and made the mounting hole a little bit bigger by twisting the drill by hand. I did this on both sides. Then I fitted it up again, and as you can see, it still wasn't fitting flush with the door. So I took a razor blade and chamfered the corners where I had interferences. Next, I installed this side of the lock first by screwing 1 screw into the door, but I didn't tighten it all the way just yet. Then I made sure my opposite side aligned with the locking mechanism and started to install the screws. Next, I tightened the other side to make sure I had a nice proper fit. Then I tested the locking mechanism and made sure everything was working the way it's supposed to. Next, I installed the locking plate and made sure that the locking plate aligns with the locking mechanism before installing the plate. Then installed the 2 screws on the plate. Next, do a final test and make sure that the door actually locks and everything works. Make any adjustments if necessary. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.